Welcome to the DDS Whitelist tutorial. In this video we will show you how to use the DDS Whitelist to pre-approve users for the Lido mPilot and Lido eRouteManual. The Whitelist module allows you to create a predefined set of users that can complete the registration process and data download on their own after receiving a confirmation email. To get started, sign into DDS using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the Whitelist module. There are two options for creating new whitelist entries, a single, and a bulk operation. Single entry creation is done by simply pressing the New button in the top left corner. Fill in the email address of the user you want to whitelist. This is the email address your pilot will use when registering the Lido mPilot, or a Lido eRouteManual. Filling in a name is optional. If a name is added, both the email and the name have to match when registering the device. Finally, press Save. The second option is to use the Whitelist bulk management. The easiest way to get started is to press the Export button on the DDS interface. A CSV file will be downloaded containing all whitelist entries. To add a new pilot, simply add the email, and optionally the name of a pilot, in a new row. Pilots can also be deleted, either by removing their row from the CSV file, or by writing yes in their respective delete column. Deleting a whitelist entry will revoke all registered devices connected to that user. Save the list and press the Import button in the DDS user interface. Select the CSV file that you just saved, and press Import. You will see a preview of all changes that will be made to your whitelist. Press Confirm to upload the list. Once a whitelist entry is created, your staff can register for the Lido mPilot, or a Lido eRouteManual by themselves. Navigate to the registration settings in the Lido mPilot. Fill in the operator code, first name, last name, and email address of a user you added to the whitelist, and press Register. This process is the same for the Lido eRouteManual. Once registered, the registration request will appear in the DDS Registration module. A yes displayed in the whitelisted column indicates that a user has registered with matching information and received an email containing the confirmation link. The user has not yet been approved, as shown by the empty checkbox in the Register column. To get approved, the user registering the device has to click on the link in the confirmation email. Once clicked, the device is registered and can start downloading charting data. In the DDS interface, the status of the registration is set to Approved, indicated by the green checkbox. Thank you for watching.